Welcome back to our channel, and for today's video I'm going to have a step-by-step procedure on how to go live on your TikTok account. So karamihan po sa atin is nagtatanong or have a lot of confusions kung paano po ba nakakapag-live sa TikTok account. So sana makatulong tong video na to kung paano nyo po or saan nyo makikita yung live options sa inyong TikTok application. But number one tip is just make sure na i-download nyo po yung latest version ng TikTok application sa ating Google Play Store. Kasi kung old version po ng TikTok application yung gagamitin ninyo, so wala po talaga kayong makikitang live transaction or live payments or rewards doon sa menu settings natin. So, yun lang po yung number one tip ko. Make sure that you will be or you're done downloading latest version of TikTok application. Okay? So, yun lang po. So, kung isa ka po sa mga TikTok user or TikTokerist ng taong ito, hope you guys watch this video till the end. So, para mas may makuha po kayo. So, yun lang po. So, let's start the tutorial!
Alright, so first thing you need to do is to pull up your latest version of your TikTok application. So here's what it looks like. So, second thing is you need to click your profile, and that is in the bottom part. There you go. And the three buttons in the side to go to your menu settings. Scroll it down and go to report a problem, and after that scroll down again and look to have a live payments, hosting live, and I can't start a live, so try to read the feedback and help here. So users 16 years and over can access live, and users 18 years and over may send received gifts during live broadcast. So, is your problem got resolved? Of course, you need to click a no button here so that you will be routed to the next page. Take note for that, I only use my Android phone for this. So this is how it looks like. So first thing is you need to type, I am unable to access live. Kindly enable my live options here. My followers would love to see me live. So as you can see, there's no need to pull up your Gmail account below the pictures because I only use my Android phone here. So here is what it looks like. After you send that, you need to wait for 1 to 2 days or 48 hours, and TikTok management will email you. And there is another options if you're gonna use another phone, example Apple. So you need to put down your Gmail account so that TikTok management will email you after you submit your report. One thing is for sure, if you don't have 1,000 or 1K followers in your TikTok application, you don't have to worry about it because you can do the step-by-step procedures so that you can enable your TikTok live options. So after you receive an email from TikTok management, here what it looks like if you're gonna go live on your TikTok account. Ta-da!
Alright, so tapos na po natin yung tutorial. Sana may natutunan po kayo video. So, that's the easiest way for me and for us kung paano po natin ma-enable yung live option sa ating TikTok application. So, kung nasundan nyo po yung steps na yun, why don't you share that video to others? So, para meron din po silang idea kung paano nga ba magkakaroon ng live or paano nga po ba tayo mag-live sa ating TikTok application. So, sa pagkakaalam ko kasi, may mga nakukuha din po silang rewards or I don't know if cash. Kasi yung mga viewers po na nanonood sa magiging live ninyo sa TikTok ninyo is may possible na magbigay ng rewards, gift na pwede ninyong i-convert sa money. So, yun lang po ang pagkakalam ko. So, I don't know kasi I'm not yet going on, I'm not trying to use live options pa. Kasi I don't have enough time. Kasi alam mo naman, nag-babysit pa ako ng baby ko. So, yun lang po guys. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. Kung nagustuhan niyo itong video na to, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and click the bell button here para sa mga susunod na update ng aming videos. So, this is for today's video. Bye-bye for today. Bye! God bless you!